Hey guys, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how we can configure our Git. Once you have done the installation, then the immediate next step is to configure the Git. So you will open up your Git bash if you are on Windows and your terminal if you are on Mac. Just open it up and write down this command: git config -- global user.name, and then after that in inverted commas you have to give your username of GitHub. If you do not remember your username, please open up GitHub and click over here, and this is your username. Press enter. Then write down git config -- global user.email, and then write down the email address with which you registered for GitHub. And press enter. In order to verify that the configurations have been done, write down git config -- list. It will show you a bunch of configurations. If you do not see all the configurations, that's still perfectly fine. You only need to look for two configurations that are user.email and user.name. If you have these two configurations and you do not have rest of the configurations, that's perfectly fine. You have configured your Git successfully. That's it about the configuration. I'll see you next time. Thank you.